There's Hunter on his CRF100F. And there's Eli in his little tiny truck. He's backing it up like a Flintstone. That's awesome. Wait, now he's turning it around. We're gonna start calling him Fred Flintstone. Let's go check it out. Let's go look at the tiny truck. Dude, that thing is awesome. What? That's awesome. I like the little tractor tires on the back, man. That's sweet. How fast is it?
I made it go faster. It's fast everywhere.
Hell yeah. Is it faster than my 650?
Yeah.
It says 115 on the speedometer, but I'm not sure it'll go that fast. I'm not sure I'm gonna find out, like, on purpose either. Oh, you almost got it. There it is. It's a Dodge, you know it's gonna start. That's awesome. He does a little burnout. Let's go follow the mini truck. This little thing's cool. Where's my, oh, my son's behind us. I figured he'd be like right beside me. Here he comes. I'm gonna see if I can get him to come around. Passing on a curve. Look at him. He's a madman. Hey, your brake lights are not working. Funny with the brake lights. That's only funny if y'all know what a CRF100F is. Oh, nice. That thing's pretty sweet. My mirror's like, I ain't doing that anymore. I'm gonna swivel out of the way. I gotta watch my son because he will smooth run into me.
What did you say?
I don't know. It was a long time ago and I probably forgot by now. Why would it sound like I said? Look at that roost. Yeah, that was a pretty sweet burnout you did over there in your grandpa's driveway. That thing will get it, huh? The Predator engine. That's sweet. Freaking stinking mirror. Do something. Speeding by the old man's house. Should have bricked. This thing just wants to come up so bad. I'm not a wheelie guy. Well, not yet. I'll practice. Right now it's like, well, I lost traction there. And my son's right behind me. Throw some rocks on him. Hey, go to the pond. Oh, that bird almost got hit. That was awesome. I got trail wings on, not my normal black tires, so I gotta be careful. Or I'll be face down in that crap. Slipping and sliding. And backfired, apparently. Here comes Eli in the mini truck. How you gonna jump?
What?
Jump that hill over there or something. What? Do some jumping. Look, you got your freaking gorilla pads on.
What hill?
Look, check this out, dude. You got your goggles on over your freaking hair, so I know you can only see through one eye.
I can see through both eyes.
What? Safety first. Why don't you get your hair out of your goggles, man? That's just ridiculous. So now you just gotta seal it, man, so you can make a boat out of it too. You can just cruising around the lake. Not, well, this isn't the lake, but you know what I mean, the little 40,000 acre lake.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like my new bike?
Mm-hmm.
I just got it like last week. I gotta get it tagged because it's not 2007 anymore.
Yeah.
But yeah, I bought it from a 60-year-old guy. He was wanting to ride again, and he put 196 miles on it and decided he didn't want to ride again that bad. So he just parked it. And 6 years later, he decided to sell it. So I got a brand new 2006, basically, you know, 200 miles on it. Hey, guess how many miles my other bike has? My 230.
How many?
Take a wild guess.
3,000?
It's a little bit higher than 3,000. You want to guess?
Isn't it like 20,000?
20,000 miles. I got a long way to go to get there on this one. Yep, I'm ready to ride some more. I feel like I need a step ladder to get on this thing. It's so tall. Once I'm on it, it's not bad. It's just the whole getting on it.